Alright guys, and run the Sandlot bobblehead here from last week. 8:33 p.m. We're going to type live. We are live. 8:33 p.m. 8:33 p.m. Going to grab the list. Alright, we got 10 spots. We are going to drop them 10 names into random. We got Mickey Mueller on the bottom and the top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 5. We're rolling 5 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Dice of 5. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 5. Congrats to Mickey. Spot number 2. You are the winner. Get in touch with Justin and get your bobblehead. We are done. 8:34. We will go back. We will type done. We are done. 8:34 p.m. 8:34 p.m. Here is the verification and the timestamp.